Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video, you will learn how to draw a solid in COLLABCAD software. How to draw a solid. So, you just open this new file, open file, COLLABCAD. So, it is here, design, part design, okay, units mm, and drafting standard is IS, International Standard. And part name you can write here any name, say exercise 1 or everything. I write here exercise 1 ex1. Okay, so this we have opened this new file now. So in this file, first of all, what I have to do is, this is our isometric view of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So go to view and front view. Okay, so now it is front view in x and y axis. So this is your x axis, this is your y axis, and in depth it is z axis. Okay, now what we have to do, just we want to draw a L-shaped figure. L-shaped figure, say figure is 50 by 50 and 10 mm thickness. Okay, so how to draw it? So what we have to do is, basic, this line and coordinates. Okay, so these are the end coordinates. First coordinate is 0 0. This point is x0 y0, x0 y0 z0. Okay, the next point is, say x is in x-axis I want 50 mm. So this is x50 y0. Okay, so here this line is drawn, 50 mm long line is drawn here. Now what we have to do is, next point, say I want it 10 mm above this. In y-axis it should be 10. Okay, this thickness should be 10. Okay, so now start point, because now this start point is x50. How much it is? X is 50, y is 0. Okay, then end point x is 50 and y will be 10. 10 is the height, 10 height. Okay, so this line is drawn here. Now the coordinate of this point are, what are the coordinate? x50 and y10. X is 50, start point, x is 50, y is 10 here. Y is 10. Okay, now I want a line with here at x10, y10. Okay, so here y10, x10, x10, y10. Okay, so this line is drawn, straight line. So now I want a vertical line here, and vertical line coordinates will be, in the y it will be 50, x it will be 10. So here now it is at x10, y10. It is at what point? It is at x10, y10 now. And I need this at x10 only, and y should be 50. Okay, y should be 50. Okay, so this line is drawn, and now the coordinates here, what are the coordinates? In x-axis it is 10, y it is 50. In x-axis it is 10 and y it is, how much it is? 50. Okay, so now I need a line at x0 and y50, but x should be 0. Okay, so this line is now here. This line is x0 and y50. X, now it is at x0, where it is x0 and y50 is the starting point of this line, and I need next line at x0, y0. Okay, so this should be 0 here. Okay, cross. So This figure is drawn now, L-shaped figure. So if I want to see this figure in isometric view, just you go here, view, say isometric. So it is like this. So this is your y-axis here, this is your x-axis, and vertical axis is z-axis. So now I want to give this figure some thickness. So how to do that? Just go in solids, and in solid slab, this slab. Okay. Now what I have to do is select the cross section curves for slab and press enter. So I had to select all these lines. Okay. This line, this line, this line, and this line also. Okay. And just enter. So these are the signs here, arrows in vertical direction. I have to give the thickness only. So I want this thickness should be say 30 mm. 30 mm. Okay. There is no draft angle, nothing. Just simple. Okay. And there is no reverse direction. In one direction only. Okay. So now it is a solid. It is a solid of 30 mm height. Okay. And we can shade this also like this. Shading is there. Okay. So this is a solid. Now again, if I want to see it in view front only, the shape will be like this. This is the shape of the object. Okay. Now we can also draw some ortho view also from this solid. So how to do that? You just go in file and plot configuration. Okay. Plot configuration. What will happen now? A plot file will be opened here. You have to just wait for this. Okay. And one plot file will be there. Okay. So now this plot file is there. What we have to do is, this plot file is there. Now we can draw ortho views of the same object. How to draw that? Go in view, and now if I want this front view or top view, this is a top view, and you draw a viewport here. So this will be your top view here, like this. This is your top view. Okay. And again, view, front. So this will be your front view, like this. Top view, this is front view. Okay. And then right view, right. So this will be your right view, like this. This is your right view. And if you need a isometric view also, then view isometric. You just draw this here viewport, and you will get isometric view also. So this way you can draw all ortho view also from the solid object. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to draw geometry in that model file, and you have to give the thickness to that. It will become a solid. Then you go to another file, plot file, and you draw just like all these views you can draw here. So I think it's clear to you. It's a very basic thing, how to draw solid and then how to draw the ortho views. So in next video you will get other things. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.